This episode is specially made for a little girl who is having her birthday in a couple of weeks from now, in March. I met her great-granny a few months ago. She's a very sweet lady who gave me a whole bunch of leather fabric for free. So I decided to make this beautiful gown as a thanks to her. And this is how I made it. We found this beautiful white fabric, just perfect to make a ball gown for the Barbie. I made 2 layers dress, just like dresses for us, human. Because you know what? The more real it is, the cuter it is. Okay, it looks so real, it's just way too small. If you have followed me from the beginning, you may probably know that this is all from my daughter, and it is all for her. So I keep searching and searching for easier and safer way so that later on she can do it all by herself. This mini hair iron is one of that invention. So handy, don't you see? Yes, perfect to iron mini tiny little things, and it's much safer for my 6-year-old too. You'll see her in the next video. She's working really hard on making a Christmas cactus dress for her doll, her very own design. I didn't wait until I finished all of this sewing to iron, because I found out that in this miniature sewing it's so hard to get the iron into the right place. So I'd rather iron it portion by portion. Look, it's just perfect. And then we'll do the same thing with the lining layer. To create more volumes, I'll make a ruffled petticoat. This is also the first time I made a petticoat. I saw it on Kinkin's party dress, and I taught myself to make the same one. We'll need a couple of levels of ruffles. Each level is a little bit bigger than the previous one, so that when we gather, it creates the ruffles. That's simply how it works. I sewed this all by hand, but you can use the sewing machine if you want. It's much faster with a sewing machine, of course. Attach the bodies to the skirt, and then voila, this is how it looks like. Now for the main dress. At first I made a simple circle ball gown. It looks okay, but the thing is that there's nothing special about that. It's too ordinary even when I try to put beads and jewelry on. You can find this anywhere. So I decided to unstitch it and do another thing that I've never done before. Drape it on our Barbie. This technique is called 3D draping. I saw top fashion designers like Christian Dior did to create high-end fashion. So I want to try it this time. It took quite a while to make different shapes and style. I didn't know yet what it might turn out to be, but the one thing that I really know is it's unique. It's one of a kind. It's the only one version until now. When I got the nice version that I like, I'll go ahead with the nice fabric. I also drape it on the Barbie and make all adjustments needed, and then carefully hand stitch the pleat that hold the form. When sewing the body to the skirt, I felt that the corset bodies might be too long for this kind of gown, so I decided to shorten it a little bit. Now sew the front and the lining dress together. This is how we made the rough edges neat and pretty. All those little details, will make or break the game. See, Kinkin is helping iron the hem. Easy peasy. Now the tail. What do you think about this tail? This type of dressmaking is also called zero-waste design. We use up most of the fabric and waste almost nothing. Isn't it so cool? Ta-da! One-of-a-kind ball gown.
Thank you for watching.